This special sweet rice, short grain, sticky rice. I washed last night and soaked in the water overnight, 8 to 12 hours. Now I'm gonna do it in the water.
Did you add cornstarch to this? Or is
No.
that for something else?
That's potato.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Dump in here. Yeah, just
Okay.
here.
Well, so the trainer came by yesterday.
Is the towel to absorb some of the water?
Yeah,
Okay.
drainage. This is plastic is very bad to absorbing, take drain the water. So use those towel.
Cool.
Put it up here.
Some chocolate control.
Now water boiler steaming around. 15 minutes later, you hear big pop. Right? So rice is steamed, then start making mochi. Few minutes, you're gonna go get. See it? Then we're gonna take this one out. Dump in here. Ooh, it's hot. Sticky.
Yes.
Now
I remember, so
go like
did we have
this.
jelly on it last time?
Here.
Yeah, we can put whatever we want.
Nice.
We got. I gotta
Give
go
you
like,
peanut
like,
butter?
like this.
Chocolate sauce?
Well, we have Nutella.
Oh, okay.
Go like
Do you
this.
have both?
Take grape and go.
Do you want peanut butter or nut butter?
My first bite of strawberry mochi.
Go like this.
No,
Thumbs
no,
up.
for being keto.
So it's funny,
And in case you don't want to go through all that trouble, you can just buy some ice cream mochi at the store. We also had some delicious octopus. And in case you're wondering, this is how they used to make mochi before they had the machines. Thanks for watching!